Hello, Discover Agriculture viewers. Today we're exploring cherry tomatoes. These tiny fruits are a tasty and colorful garden addition. Whether you're experienced or new to gardening, cherry tomatoes are fun and rewarding to grow. Let's get started. The first step in cherry tomato farming is choosing the right variety. There are many types of cherry tomatoes, including Sweet Million, known for its high yield and sweet flavor; Sun Gold, a favorite for its vibrant orange color and exceptional taste; Black Cherry, offers a unique, deep color and rich flavor. Cherry tomatoes thrive in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Follow these steps for soil preparation. Check the pH level, aiming for a range between 6.0 and 6.8. Add compost or well-rotted manure to enhance fertility. Avoid waterlogged conditions by ensuring proper drainage. Once your soil is ready, it's time to plant the seeds. Plant seeds indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. Place seeds about a 1/4 inch deep in seed starting mix. Ensure seedlings receive plenty of light, either from a sunny window or grow lights. When seedlings are about 6 to 8 inches tall and the danger of frost has passed, transplant them outdoors. Proper care is crucial for healthy cherry tomato plants. Water deeply and regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Use a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. Apply mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Support your plants with stakes or cages to keep them upright and off the ground. Protect your plants from common pests and diseases. Check plants frequently for signs of trouble. Use organic methods like neem oil or insecticidal soap. Grow basil or marigolds nearby to repel pests. The best part of cherry tomato farming is the harvest. Harvest when tomatoes are fully colored and slightly soft. Picking regularly encourages more fruit production. These little gems add a burst of flavor to any garden. Perfect for salads, snacking, or cooking, they bring joy to your gardening experience. Happy farming! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks.